Good evening, candidates. This list is for people appearing for interview in the near future, say maybe FCI or other bank interviews. What are the list of government schemes in India? So, from the point of view of, say, banking and also FCI, we can skip these ministries. Ministry of Coal, we can skip. Ministry of Information, Ministry of Defense also we can skip. This one may be important for our FCI. Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, One Nation, One Ration Card. It was introduced in August 2019. The main objective of the scheme is to introduce nationwide portability of ration card holders under the National Food Security Act 2013, NFSA, National Food Security Act. It will be available across the country from 1st June 2020. I think it has still not been introduced because I read a report about somebody struggling to get ration from a distant shop. Yeah. Then from the angle of, say, our FCI interview, Ministry of New and Renewable Energy, Pradhan Mantri Kisan Urja Suraksha Evam Uttan Mahabhiyan, introduced in February 2019 to set up 25,750 megawatt solar capacity by 2022 with the total central financial support of 34,422 crore. Next one, Ministry of Labor and Employment. Candidates, I will be giving the link of this material. I mean, the content of this material link I will provide in our YouTube comments column. You can take and read for other ministries. Now I am reading only keeping in mind banking and FCI, Food Corporation of India. Then Ministry of Jal Shakti. Here Jal Shakti, Jal Jeevan Mission Scheme, August 2019. Then to provide piped drink water to every household, Jal Shakti Abhiyan. This campaign will run into two phases, that is focus on five aspects: water conservation, rainwater harvesting, renovation of traditional and other water bodies, reuse of water and recharging of structure, watershed development and intensive afforestation. Then, considering banking interview, Ministry of Women and Child Development, Bharatiya Poshan Anthem, 3rd December 2019, Beti Bachao Beti Padhao scheme. Then Pradhan Mantri Matru Vandana Yojana to provide cash incentive of rupees 5,000 to pregnant women for a first living child. Ujawala, it is to prevent trafficking of women and children for commercial sexual exploitation. Then Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana to encourage parents to build a fund for future education marriage expenses for their female child. PM's overarching scheme for holistic nourishment, Poshan Abhiyan, March 2018, National Nutrition Mission to ensure attainment of malnutrition free India by 2022. Integrated child development services to improve nutritional and health status of children in the age group of 0 to 6 year. Nari web portal to access information on different government programs offered by various state governments as well as center. Mahila He Art portal, that is maybe a market, to provide marketing platform to the women entrepreneurs directly to sell to the buyers. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. This will be of relevance for FCI interview. Tilhan Mission to enhance oil seed production. Yuva Sahakar Cooperative Enterprise Support Innovation Scheme linked to rupees 1000 crore Cooperative Startup and Innovation Fund created by NCDC. Pradhan Mantri Kisan Man Dhan Yojana providing minimum pension of rupees 3000 per month to those who attain 60 years of age. Pradhan Mantri Annadata Aay Sanrakshan Abhiyan ensuring remunerative prices to farmers for their produce. Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana to provide insurance coverage and financial support to farmers in the event of failure of any of the notified crop as a result of natural calamities, pests and diseases. Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi PM Kisan 120 million small and marginal farmers who have less than 2 hectares of land holding will get up to rupees 6000 per year as minimum income support. Ministry of Rural Development important from the angle of bank interviews and also FCI interview. Please go through some of the important ones. Rashtriya Gram Swaraj Abhiyan, strengthening of Panchayati Raj institutions for achieving sustainable development goals. Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, skills build platform to help youth to scale them as per changing market trends by creating a job ready workforce. Skills acquisition and knowledge awareness for livelihood. It's a centrally sponsored scheme with a project of total size of US dollar 675 million, including World Bank assistance of US dollar 500 million to create convergence among all skill training activities. Skill strengthening for industrial value enhancement strive. It's a World Bank assisted Government of India project. Shreyas, this scheme for higher education of youth in apprenticeship and skills, a basket comprising of initiative of three central ministries, namely Ministry of Human Resource Development, Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship and the Ministry of Labor Employment, namely the National Apprenticeship Promotion Scheme NAPS, National Career Service NCS and introduction of BA, BSc, BCom professional courses in the higher educational institutions. This is to improve the employability of students, proposed to cover 50 lakh students by 2022. Ministry of Human Resource Development, National Initiative for School Heads and Teachers Holistic Advancement, NISHTA, for improving quality of school education. Stride Scheme, July 2019, to provide support to research projects. Udan Giving Wings to Girl Students. It is a project launched by CBSE to address the low enrollment of girl students in prestigious engineering institutions and teaching gap between school education and engineering entrance examination. Another one, Samagra Siksha. Scheme for Translational Advanced Research in Science STARS. This project will be coordinated by IISC Bangalore, National Digital Library of India, Operation Digital Board to convert classroom into a digital classroom to provide e-resources at any time and at any place to students. Unnat Bharat Abhiyan. There are a lot of schemes. I request you to go through the material in detail. I am just covering important ones from the point of view of interview. Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Yojana. Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jaiv Indian Vatavaran Anukul Fasal Ya Vashas Nivaran Yojana aims at providing financial support to integrated bioethanol projects. This is an important point. Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Here I think what is important may be this Deen Dayal Disabled Rehabilitation Scheme to give an equal priority and reverence to the physically challenged persons. Ministry of Commerce and Industry, GEM Samvad. This program will involve local sellers and stakeholders for facilitating the onboarding of local sellers on the marketplace for accommodating special requirements and needs of buyers, MSMEs, and startups. These have increased the revenues, and the government has also been able to save around 15 to 25% from it. There is another one, NIRVIC scheme, to ease the lending process and enhance loan availability to exporters. Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, Ministry of Drinking Water and Sanitation, Ministry of Finance, IT initiative, ICE Dash, Aditi, ICE Dash, and Ease of Doing Business Monitoring Dashboard for improved monitoring of customs clearance of imported goods. Aditi, a mobile app used for facilitating hassle-free faster arriving and enhance the experience of international tourists, international passengers. Sabka Viswas Legacy Dispute Resolution Scheme to resolve all disputes. PM Jan Dhan Yojana. PM Vaya Vandana Yojana to provide social security during old age and to protect elderly persons aged 60 and above. It is implemented by LIC. Udyam Abhilasha, launched by SIDBI in 115 aspirational districts identified by Niti Aayog. Sovereign Gold Bond Scheme. The Sovereign Gold Bond Scheme will be issued every month from June 2019 to September 2019. Aam Aadmi Bima Yojana, Project Saksham, Gold Monetization Schemes, Varishta Bima Yojana, Varishta Pension Bima Yojana, implemented through Life Insurance Corporation of India. Ministry of Railways, Ministry of Science and Technology, Innovation in Science Pursuit for Inspired Research, Inspire, Ministry of Communications, Ministry of Culture, Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat Seva Boj Yojana to reimburse central government share. CGST. Ministry of Tribal Affairs, Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. Fit India school grading school system in schools. It will help students in school to stay fit. Ministry of Civil Aviation, UDAN, Uday Desh Ka Aam Nagarika, making air travel affordable and widespread to boost inclusive national economic development, job growth and air transport infrastructure development of all regions and states of India. Updation, fourth phase of Udan scheme to boost the connectivity to more remote and regional areas of the country. Ministry of Tourism, Ministry of Textile, Ambedkar Hardship Vikas Yojana, Yarn Bank Scheme, Ministry of Mines, Ministry of External Affairs, Ministry of Heavy Industries and Public Enterprises, FAME, faster adoption and manufacture of electric vehicle scheme to promote electric mobility, and the scheme's financial gives financial incentives for enhancing electric vehicle production and creation of electric transportation infrastructure. Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, Ministry of Food Processing Industries, Ministry of Law and Justice, Ministry of Water Resources, River Development and Ganga Rejuvenation, Atal Bhujal Yojana to recharge groundwater and create sufficient water storage for agricultural purposes. Ministry of Chemical Fertilizers, Ministry of MSMEs, Kadi Rumal. Kadi Rumal being stitched by militancy affected women of Jammu and Kashmir to provide employment to the women or in the terrorist affected areas, as well as create employment opportunity for militancy affected families of Jammu and Kashmir. Solar Charka. Prime Minister's Employment Generation Program. Ministry of Minority Affairs, Pado Pardesh, to provide interest subsidy to meritorious students belonging to economically weaker sections of the notified minority communities. Nai Manzil, Nai Udan. Niti Aayog and Ayush, Atal Innovation Mission, including self-employment and talent utilization to promote cultural innovation and entrepreneurships. Aspirational Districts Program, New India at 75 Strategy. It is a detailed document which discusses 41 crucial areas that recognizes the progress already made, identifies binding constraints, and suggests the way forward for achieving the clearly stated objectives. State government schemes, Cyber Safe Initiative Maharashtra, Arundhati Swarna Yojana Assam, Odisha Mo Parivar Initiative Odisha, Mukhyamantri Krishi Ashirvad Yojana, Jharkhand. The concerned state, people appearing in that particular state, they need to go through that. Other states, there may not be much need about it. Mukhyamantri Krishi Ashirvad Yojana, Jharkhand. Krishi Rin Samadhan Yojana, Madhya Pradesh. Wahli Digri Yojana, Gujarat. Emissions Trading Scheme, Gujarat. Kalia, Krishak Assistance for Livelihood and Income Augmentation Scheme of Odisha, for households, for farmers, for the family. Mukhyamantri Yuva Swalamban Yojana, Gujarat. Unemployment Allowance Scheme, Himachal Pradesh. Rupees 1,000 to the normal applicant, 1,200 to disabled persons per month. as unemployment allowance, Yuva Shadigarika, Nirudyoga Bhriti Scheme, Andhra Pradesh, Rajiv Gandhi Entrepreneurship Encouragement Scheme, Karnataka, to boost IT sector for entrepreneurs. Monthly pension scheme for media persons, Haryana. Atal Mahapan Vikas Abhiyan, Maharashtra. Fertilizer Subsidy, Odisha. Bhavantar Bharpai Yojana, Haryana. Samagra Grama Unayan Yojana, Assam. NTR Arogya Raksha Scheme, Andhra Pradesh. Atal Amrit Abhiyan, Assam. Nagar Uday, Madhya Pradesh. Amar Gare LED Scheme, Odisha. LED bulbs. Barista Bankar Sahayata Yojana, Odisha. So these are some of the schemes that have been given in this material. I am just attaching this to the video, and you can see whatever is relevant for your, supposing you appear for some sports related, then you have to concentrate on that. Coal means relating to that. Likewise, you can concentrate and learn about it in detail. If you really want to go further deep into it, then go into the website of the particular ministry and get to know more details. People appearing for interview should have a broad idea of all these things so that they can talk in with confidence in the interviews. Best wishes. Thank you.